Remember when we had to do some homework while we were at school? Now if someone paid me then to do homework, I would certainly do it more often, I swear. Really, nowadays we can get paid to answer some of these homework questions. It's crazy, really. I found this website by accident and I couldn't believe this. You can simply answer some easy questions to these guys and they will pay you big money for your time, guys. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money as well, follow me along the video and please like the video as well when you get the chance because it really helps me. Now let us get started. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It's that simple. So guys, this is it. This is Studypool.com and I couldn't believe when I found out this website because guys, as you can see, they have been featured on Entrepreneur, on Forbes, on TechCrunch, on NASDAQ, on Huffington Post, and these are all, as you can see, real articles which these people have been featured on, so you can be sure that they are pretty legit and pretty popular as well. Now, this is a website which works in question like, for example, you can just post a question, you can ask all types of questions, big or small, from basic math to rocket science. Then, these guys will connect you with a tutor and their system recommends the best tutors for your question, and then you will get explanation and answer. Tutors will give quality explanations and answers via Messenger. And they've got all of these categories. As you can see, it is rocket science, chemical engineering, macroeconomics, mathematics, programming, humanities, you name it, but there are simple ones as well. And those simple ones are we gonna focus on because we are gonna come here on this website and we're gonna become tutors. And guys, just look at the Trustpilot reviews of this website. It has over 260 reviews already and it has 4.1 rating. I think this is perfect rating, guys, for us because 69% of the people said that it was excellent. So 4.1 out of 5, it's great, guys. I mean, look at all these 5 stars. This one has 1 star. He says it's a scam, but I don't believe this because 69% of these people said it was excellent, and now this here is just one mad guy who didn't do what he was supposed to do. And just look at this, guys. This is Studypool on SimilarWeb, and just look at this. On June 21, it had like 9,000 monthly visits. And look at it now, guys. Look at this bump. 2.1 million people come here every single month and they ask these questions, they answer those questions, and they earn money. So you can see a lot of them come from United States, so that's nice as well. So all we have to do, guys, is click here on Become a Tutor so we can earn some money for ourselves. And that's good money, guys, trust me. There is a lot of money. As you can see, you can earn up to $7.5 thousand monthly. So that's crazy, guys. I really think that this is good money. I really think this is good option because as you can see, some highest earners here made like $600,000, $3,900,000, $350,000. I mean, these are some nice figures if you ask me for just teaching these kids basic math or something. This is really, really good. And I tell you guys, don't be scared of this because these are some simple questions. You can, for example, always use Google as your friend or YouTube so you can find all the answers there. You don't have to worry about that. And as you can see, you can make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard. That's it, guys. Just use your keyboards, your internet connection, and you are good to go, guys. So all you have to do now is click on Apply Now. And here, you just have to enter in your email address, your username and your password. So click on create account over here, or you can just do what I did and just sign up with Google, Facebook or LinkedIn account. So I'm gonna do it with Google. It's faster, of course. And once you are on the inside, click on this checkbox and then click on I agree button over here, and now you can just simply start up your application. You can see that they've got supported payout methods which include direct bank deposits, check, PayPal, Payoneer, TransferWise, and Western Union. So it doesn't matter which payment option you prefer, they support that, guys. And it also doesn't matter where you live on Earth, you are able to do this wherever you live, so it's not country restricted, so you don't have to worry about that as well because these guys work everywhere. And just take a note, guys, here, because as you can see here, it says the application takes about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you're unable to complete it in one sitting. So just make sure that you have some time. It does take some time to apply for it, but you can earn some six figures, guys. You can earn over $100,000, so you don't have to worry about that, guys. Just click on start your application now. It'll be worth your time. Just click on start application and that's gonna be it. So here, you just have to put in some of your personal information so they know who are you. So just put in your first name, your last name, choose your country. As you can see, all of these countries are eligible for signing up. Just where do you live, academic background, and click on save and continue. And guys, really, it is so easy to use. It is so easy to get money with this because, as you can see, a lot of people use their time in order to get some money for this. And you have all of these payment options and it works everywhere. So it doesn't matter where you live. You can just go and sign up to this website, make yourself an account, just confirm your personal information, and that's it. You can earn over $7.5 thousand each month, guys, by simply answering simple questions. Now, how cool is that? I really can't believe that this is now option nowadays. Really, the future holds up some certainly nice things for us, and this is one of them. You can get some money for yourself by simply answering homework questions. I really like this future. And there are a lot of these categories here, so you can choose whichever one you want and answer questions related to those. As you can see, there is some accounting, algebra, art and design, article writing, biology, engineering, economics, computer science, health and medical, history, law, management, marketing, mathematics, so social science. There is something for everyone here, guys, so don't be afraid to come here and sign up and answer these questions and get yourself some money from these guys. I mean, how hard could it be? You can see here that these are some amazing figures that these guys have earned, so I suggest you guys go as well and grab some money off this because it's a nice opportunity for everyone. You can see down here that they've got some testimonials which are so nice. As you can see, I'm so happy I came across this opportunity. It's very easy to upload documents to the site. That's the only thing I have to worry about, and being in my last year of college, I'm constantly uploading every week, which has really been the key driver to my earnings. Now, that's from this William over here. There is some girl over here named Jessica who said that seeing my documents sold is very gratifying, not only because I get paid for every document that's sold, but it's also helping out other fellow students that really benefit from having access to my notes. That's a nice thing to do as well, guys. You can go and sell your docs by clicking over here, and if you've got some docs, you can earn money by selling them. So you can earn up to $5,000 a month by sharing your docs here. And this is how it works. You can just upload document, you can get approved, so your document will be reviewed, then it'll be viewed by student, and then you will earn money. You can earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So if you have some documents lying around, or if you have to find them online, go and find them online and post them here and sell them for money. That's one more option for you. And as you can see, there is money to be made as well. $161,000 for this Alan Mitch by selling his documents. So that's great, guys. Go out there, take some action as these guys do, and earn some money. See you guys later.